G'day guys, it's Tom again, and today we're going to be pulling an SD33 out. Not this one, the one in the back there. Let's get into it. Stop there, Carl. In a second it'll start to roll forward.
Yep, I've got no practice.
Here we go.
And the old Nikes don't have.
Just about at the top.
Gang.
Time to get this engine out. What do you reckon?
Sometimes. Depends on the day.
What's the plan again? Half off, but finger tight.
Yeah. And then we gotta pop the hood fucking all wrapper us down. Yep, I'm free. Oh, wrong size. Must be 1, 2. What comes out first? Ready?
3,
2, 1, and action.
This oil didn't even do a kilometre.
There's metal in that. That's a pretty colour. I like it. I wish all my cars had that in it.
Alright, so we're starting to undo everything. Got the alternator all freed up just about. Just undone the starter motor in there.
I'm unbolting the fuel filter so I can get to the bolts for the clutch.
And you get into the slave. So, slowly getting there.
So you don't have to bleed the can again.
Yep. Got the engine crane all set up. It's coming along.
There's one more. His front springs in the arse end to 2-inch heavy duty lifted with 3 inches cut out of them to fit. Otherwise it'd just be like, and then about, I think it's got 30 or 40 mil spaces in the front with an inch diff drop, and I've never got bogged in it. Oh, it's great off-road. As soon as you drive on the road, you fucking, if you don't know how to drive it, you can't. You gotta preempt the bumps. Or it will throw you over like three lanes. Never been pulled over in it. I don't know how.
We're always around there. Shit on it.
This is gonna be the fun bit.
Yep. Oh, that's as long as it goes.
Now. This big reason is not bad for fucking $3 or something.
Mm.
The bunny shit.
Yeah, it's not bad, eh? It's like super cheap.
Vroom, vroom, motherfucker.
I don't think the area's meant to look like that. As you can see, no real rust in the engine bay. A lot of oil though. The only real rust is in the battery tray. But you know, we'll sort that out today, hopefully. Oh. It's looking alright. Fat possum decided to hop off a tree and cracked it. It's annoying. And then I'm gonna pull these dints out at some point soon. So it's a slow work in progress. Alright guys, thanks for watching part 4. We've got the engine out. Next week the plan is to get the other engine out and then get that cleaned up and prepared to put into this ute. Stay tuned, subscribe and jump on the social media. The link will be in the bio. Cheers guys.